Hello everybody, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in the commercial diesel parts. Today, we're going to introduce you one of our control valve, this one. And if you're interested about this valve assembly, please let's see it together. Firstly, you can see the outside packages. It's this kind of blue VCI anti-rust bags. And here this is the product SKU with the product code F00VC01331. For the logo label packages, we support a customized service. And now, let's open it. Let's see what we have inside. Wow, let's see it. And as you can see, we use the transparent bottles to package it and can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. Because it's very hard. Okay, then it's the oil paper. The whole side of the valve assembly actually not only sealing the whole side, we also sell in the separate ones such as the valve cap and the valve rods. And now I will separate it. If you look carefully, you'll find under here it's with the coating figures. And for our product, we have the quality guaranteed. Each product we supply with 6 months warranty time in its period. If you are not set with the quality, it's okay. You can return the package. You can exchange it or return it, all is okay. And for our control valve, we have these 3 tips I'd like to share with you. The first tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The second tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. The third tip is if you want to clean it with the oil. Okay, so much for the introduction. At last, please, if you have any questions, remember to make comments below the videos, and you can follow us at our YouTube or the Facebook account. And remember to follow us, and you can feel free to contact us. So much for today. Let's see you next time. Thank you for staying with me. So appreciate. Thank you. Bye bye.